How to use promo code on Factor prepared meals. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. And in this video, we will learn how we can use promo code on Factor, that is prepared meals. So without further delay, let's get started. For that, open up a browser, then head over to the Factors website. Factors, and once you're here, make sure that you're signed in into your account. Once you're signed in, then you have to choose your meals or any other extras that you want. Then click on Get Started. Now enter your zip code, click on Continue. You will land in this interface. Here, make sure that you select your goals. What are your goals? So select from the options here, then click on Continue. Here it says what kind of meals do you prefer. According to your preferred choice, choose one from the options available. And from here again, choose your preferred answer, click on Continue. And here you land on this interface where you can select your meals per week. Once you're done with your selection, click on Continue. Now you will land on this page where you have to enter your delivery address with all of the information. So enter all of your information. If you navigate on your right hand side, there is this discount section. Under that, there is an option to apply the promo code. Click on this option right here, then you have to insert your promo code here. So insert your promo code here. Once you do that, click on apply. After that, the discount will appear beneath your subtotal. So that's it. Once you are done entering your promo code, you could simply complete your order with the discount applied. That's it. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.